What's up, y'all? I'm gonna put y'all on to a trick that an old man in Virginia put me on to, and this is gonna save y'all life, save y'all headache, save y'all stress, and basically just a blessing. So you feel me? Old man put me on, so I'm gonna put y'all on. Really, all you need is some bug spray. It could be any bug spray, right? And like a piece of paper. You don't want to use like a wet napkin, right? And I don't know if y'all can tell, but my headlights, they're a little foggy. It's a little foggy. But to fix that, all you gotta do is this. Get the bug spray and spray it, feel me? And then just wipe it away, feel me? Just wipe it like that. And just so y'all can see that it really works, I'm gonna help out a random stranger. I mean, you got an older car like this, and you know your headlights look like this. For me, just get the spray, the bug spray, and wipe it. Feel me? Look at that. Compared to this one, look at that.